Good morning, good afternoon, sir. This is SI Shri, is standard 10 student from Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya, Dalpal Dharmashara, Jaspur, standing before you for today's science exhibition in state level. Here I have theme of the project technology and toys, and sub theme of the project interactive software, and name of my project is iMath, personalized math learning app. In this app, it is for under 12th age children up to 6th grade. They can use this app because nowadays you have seen so many students are not interested in maths. They are saying math is difficult, it is boring. So to make them interesting, to make them attractive, this app is made without the using of any coding or decoding. Here in this app, you have some idea that some parents are nowadays they are job oriented. They are not giving any importance on students right now, on their children, own children. So without any internet, you can use this one. Here it is. First you have to install this app, this one iMath app. This is the home page. And here it is the user ID. First you have to make your user ID. You first enter your name, then what is your role, whether you are boy or girl. Then you have to choose the option, what is your grade. They are up to 6th grade. Then you have to put up the option OK. I have already made my user ID, that's why I am not putting anything in the option. Then you have in this home page there are 5 options. First is basic practice, first calculation practice, math games, analytics and settings. In basic practice, just like a book in the content page, it is the same in this basic practice. Here parents can get the idea that what their children have recently practiced. Suppose they have recently practiced in 19/9/2022. Just like in Google Chrome, you have seen the history. In this app, in 19/19/22, the kindergarten position left, middle and right. This chapter she has taught or he has taught. Then you can see the chapters for pre-kindergarten, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, up to 6th grade. They have the contents and they can choose from any option and they can give the test. Suppose I am choosing this one. From giving this test, they can have the time limit, then score, previous best, daily best. Previous best, that means whatever test they have given previously from this chapter, and daily best means what is the average marks they are keeping in this chapter. And from this, the parents or teachers can get the idea that how much improving their skills, how much students or children are improving day by day in the particular chapter. And now in brief, shortly I am telling that nowadays we have seen that parents or teachers are asking to their students for increasing IQ, their IQ level. 2 plus 2, what is 4? 2 plus 3, 5. Instantly they are speaking. For increasing their IQ level, first calculation practice. That means within 10, within 20, within 50, within 100. That means within 100 seconds, within 50 seconds they have to solve. Suppose it is given 1/5 plus 2/5. Within 20 seconds for new beginners they can do it. Then day after tomorrow they will make within 10. Then they can increase their IQ level day by day. They can increase their calculation method. Then we will move to math games. There are 4 types of games: math for speed, Sudoku, 24 point, match code. These are the games they can play at all for if they are feeling boring at all. Next, this is the analytics. Analytics for basically it is for parents and teachers. If they want to know what their children have learned from this, they can see whatever question they have answered, how many questions they have answered, for how much time they have spent for practicing, how much skills they have progressed from today. They can get the details from here, analytics option. How much skills they have practiced, how many problems they have received that they couldn't do, that they couldn't got the mark, they can see. Next is the setting. In this setting page, they can see, they can put in the background image, background music, just like this one, or sound effect. Full screen mode they can give, or language, they can put out language. Then time limit they can give, or they can give breaks. And there are so many question types. Laishal, thank you.